Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. I just wanted to go through some few trades and some few stocks that I did put out there and I did trade as well. Wow. My current position right now is on Fubu, so I'm still holding Fubu. My average right now is $3.78 on the call option side, and I'm actually planning on taking out maybe one as soon as we get to about $5. But I have my eyes on it. I just need that $25 break so that I will be in the money in the money on Fubu. Okay. My break even on this is 28.78. So and I still have time May the 21st. Anyways, let's get into the plays. On stock tweet, I did tweet a whole lot about what I was looking forward to in terms of stocks. On AYTU, it was trading at $7.24 as out of my post. Let's see what happened here. Okay, well, we did pull higher on AYTU. So what was it? Last trade was $7.44. So I'm expecting a push higher to 7.75 and then the $8 area on AYTU. Keep an eye on that one. Then the next one was MRNA. MRNA. I did tweet about this for a continuation. So let's look at this. And yes, so we did push higher because my entry was the pullback towards the support level around this trend. So I didn't get in until the break of this level right here, 134.50, and then we push higher. My price prediction was 143.37. That was the highs, but I predicted it to go to 143.60 50. So that was the area I was looking for on Moderna. So this area, if we reclaim and pull back, that is what I was watching. So we did push higher on Moderna. Let's see what happened there. Yes, so if we can hold that level, then we should be able to push to 146.50. But my resistance was 143.50, and we got pretty much close to that level. Next one was NIO. I said NIO need to hold 36.92. So let's see what happened on NIO. Okay, well, right now we're still not there yet, but we did push to about 37. So this area is the area for support on NIO. Next one I will be looking at is going to be, let's see here, Fubu. They were buying the 24 calls and 22 weekly calls. So I did post this, and I think right now Fubu is pushing higher. Let's see what Fubu got. Fubu, yeah. So this is the push higher. So they were buying it in the morning. So at the market open, and then we push higher today to about $25. So this area, I'm expecting it to at least push to the 26 area on Fubu. Overall, the volume coming in, really strong buy volume coming in. I did get in yesterday on Fubu in anticipation for that move. So I do like that one. Next one, let's see what we got going on here. We have Roblox, ROBLX. This one, what I did make a call on this for $75. So that I will be taking profit. Look at this. I said Roblox, $75 is your area to resist. If break, we push higher. So we traded it from 72 or so, and then let's see, Roblox. Okay, so pretty much we traded it around this area for the break of 71, 72, and then we push all the way higher area because my anticipation was this trend right here, the $72 area. So I took it when we broke this area, then sold some around the 72 bucks, and then we push all the way higher, all the way to $75. So I said resistance is around $75, and we got to $75, and then we pull back. So if we can hold this area and then break out 75, we should be good on ROBLX. On GLX, I did tweet about this earlier on, that we need look for your 3-bar play. So on this one I said look for 3-bar play. If we can break the 3-bar, then we push higher, but we didn't push higher. We got to that resistance and then pull back on GLXI. Like I said, shorts will attack. So shorts did attack on this name. Let's see here what is doing. GLXI. Yes, short did attack on this one, so they didn't let the 3-bar to play properly, so we did just pull back down to support. Support is this area right now, around the 53 area. So there's a lot of sell volume on the name. Overall, just keep an eye on it. If we can push back to this 59.43, that is going to be our resistance overall. Next is going to be our UTME. UTME is an IPO, so been pretty much just a few trades because we pull back to this trend. We pull back to the trend here, and then we just call back to higher, and then short decided to attack this name. So if we continue, our resistance, next resistance is around the 75, 73, 75 area on this name. But though we have a decent sell on that name. And the next one I was looking at was Palantir. I said Palantir is going to be 24.45, needs to break. If we can break 24.45, we should be able to push. Now I said pushing here, watch shorts try to attack this. So let's look at Palantir. What happened? PLTR. Oh wow, cool. So what happened? We did push higher, and then we didn't get to the 24.45 like I said. But all of a sudden, short decided to attack this all the way, pull back down to 23.62, and now we're pushing back higher. VWAP is around here, 23.82 area. So if we can hold this area, we should be able to test this resistance again. Overall, we look bullish on Palantir. I am still holding some few calls on it, 23 calls and 25 calls on Palantir. So I'll keep my eye on it, and then we'll see how it will go. Okay, this is still pushing higher. My level where I'm gonna sell on Fubu is gonna be $5. I'll sell the first one, and then I'll hold the remaining one. I wanted to add on this pullback to $2.50, but I was like, well, there's momentum today, so we'll see how this moves. And the last one I'm watching here is Microsoft. Microsoft, what I need Microsoft to do is to push higher on this name, but we didn't. My resistance was 255. That's what I put here. The mark level is 255. I'm actually in the money right now, so I'm expecting it to try to break 254.25, and then we push to 255. 255, market makers might probably try to get this today. If we cannot hold the VWAP, we should be able to pull back down to 253. Overall, on Microsoft, they are expecting Microsoft to still push a little bit today because of the calls coming in today. Heavy volume, huge volume. I did tweet this yesterday about Microsoft, that they are buying the 255 calls. Look at that, 17,585 in volume of contract traded. So that's for today. So I think they got in the money just a little bit, and I think they're gonna try to get this value, this 255 on Microsoft. So pretty much that's it for the trade for today. I'm still keeping my eyes on it on a trade as well. I may not trade the one that expires today. I may trade maybe one that expires in a week or two on Microsoft. So keep an eye. These are the plays, and it's been really fantastic. Go ahead and click the like button if you like the content, and subscribe whenever you can. I thank you all for being here, and look forward to the next one. Bye bye.